Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to easily link your RuPay card to your PayPal account. First, open your PayPal app or website and navigate to the Wallet section. From there, select the option to link a debit or credit card. Carefully enter your RuPay card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. You will then complete a quick verification process, which might involve a small, temporary charge to confirm your card's validity. This ensures your account is secure and ready for use. Once your RuPay card is successfully linked, making payments is straightforward. When you are ready to make an online purchase, simply choose PayPal as your preferred payment method at checkout. You will then be prompted to select your linked RuPay card from the available options within your PayPal wallet. Review the transaction details carefully, ensuring everything is correct, and then confirm your purchase. This secure process allows you to complete your transactions with ease and confidence. Before making international payments, it is crucial to ensure your RuPay card is enabled for such transactions. Contact your bank if you are unsure. Also, be mindful of potential currency conversion fees that may apply when paying in a different currency than your card's denomination. It is also wise to check for any daily or per-transaction limits set by your bank or by PayPal itself to avoid any unexpected payment failures. If you encounter any issues, first double-check that all your RuPay card details, including the card number and expiration date, are entered absolutely correctly. Minor typos are a common cause of errors. For persistent problems, do not hesitate to contact your bank's customer support or PayPal's dedicated help team for assistance. Keeping your PayPal account information and RuPay card details updated will also help ensure a smooth and hassle-free transaction experience every single time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.